Yo, what up, people? Y'all already know I'm here with the update. I tried to make a video yesterday, but my computer was acting up. And then I just made a video, and y'all saying my sound is annoying. So I'm not gonna give up this time. I'm gonna try this again. Cause I tried to get y'all before we made this move, because it's clear as day. But anyway, let's get into this. I got y'all on the daily. I'm starting y'all off on the daily right here, right? So y'all can just see how clear this is. If y'all watch my content, y'all know I didn't touch any of these lines. This is the same lines that been here. So boom, as y'all can see, we done made our move up, right? Boom, M to the dub. You see that first spike? This is that cup and handle you gotta hop in right here, because we already know it's to come back up and recover this. Because when it spiked out, this is the green line that I had right here, right? Which is into this next zone that we already been in. Boom, like I've been telling y'all before, you can make a move down, we have to come up here and hit 31.5, which is this red line. As y'all can see, boom, broke through the resistance with this. Y'all can see the wick, that's why it's there, broke through resistance. Then you can see the little red wick right there, second time, third time, broke through, went up. And as y'all can see on top of these first candles, look at where it's at the wicks. Right there at that line again. You see one wick, two wicks, that's test to that resistance level. And then you see the third one, nice candlestick broke through. And then also on the larger end, this is a third hit to the top of the zone, which I said was 31.5 that we had to hit again. We either get rejected, like I said, or we're gonna break through. And we broke through. And because we broke through, we have to go to the next support, the next resistance level, like I showed y'all before. I meet y'all on a weekly so I can see it even better. Oh, almost forgot. We can't forget the initial pattern right here, right? Boom. This is the level 1 right here, right? This is actual W right here. This is a big W. This is a level 1. So everything from right here to the bottom of this level right here, all this is level 1 that y'all can see. This whole range, level 1. Level 2 is basically the top of this level, which y'all can see, to the bottom of this level, which is basically the red line, you feel me? And we just stayed in level 2 all the way, like since March, most of this year we've been in level 2 of the larger pattern. So now we are in level 3, and this is the base of level 3. It can't, once it break down 31.5, it's done. But it's gonna show more signs before this. So let me hit y'all on the weekly, just so you can see a little bit better. So boom, I'll throw y'all on the weekly. Our next level that I said we have to hit, if we was to break through this line, is right below $40,000. And this is the next range from 31.5 to 40,000. They could bounce or take its time between here, or they could just, reverse it whenever they feel like it. Because at any point in time now, they can just reverse it. But I feel like they're going to reel you in even more, because this isn't the only thing that's happening. And it's happening just like I said it was. So like I said, we can come up here, and then we could even spike out. We're going to get a spike. Whenever it do spike out, probably right here, you see that doji right there? Around 46,500. We could get a spike out there, but by the time we hit this level, we do go up that high, it's going to immediately reverse. Immediately. I'm talking about a candlestick at least from like 45,000 all the way to 19,000. I'm talking about one candlestick. It's going to recover everything. And not only that, it's probably going to recover the whole pattern. Our next support level will probably be around 14,000, because it's going to have to recover all of this at once, just in case anybody still got leftover money. Because like I told y'all before, we still have to recover this. So like I said, we could come up even across 40,000, but like I say, you see how the way the rest of the market is moving. You just hop in, hop out. Because once we hit this range, it's a danger zone. It's over at any point in time, because they still have to come down here. They making the crash way worse than it needs to. But as y'all can see, this is the same move it's making. So imagine like right here, right? This is us right here in this cup right here, right? So when y'all see it, it came up. People probably thought, oh yeah, bull market. You know what I mean? And it came right up here. You see the head and shoulder, right? The third head, right? Third shoulder, the right shoulder of the head and shoulders. Come down, then it crashes. So it basically came up to the second part of the head and shoulders, because y'all can see 1, 2. It's literally, you know what I'm saying, the same range, literally almost the same number, but this one is slightly lower for that obvious reason. And then it's gonna restart. It made immediately crash, and it took all of this back. All of this right here. It's all of this. It's gonna be a real fast move, but it's gonna be a wick that's gonna basically over here on this end is gonna be a wick from $10,000 all the way to $5,500. It's gonna be a wick. That's how hard that crash is gonna be on the weekly chart. It's gonna be a week like this. But once that happens, it's reverse of the market. And then as y'all can clearly see, we tested it twice up here. And then right here, the the right shoulder of the head and shoulders right here. Like I just talked about, 47,000. Nobody said say it's possibility it could come all the way up there. So when it does come up, that means it already tested it twice already. And it could immediately break it through this range and this range in the future and go all the way up to like 125,000. What the chart's showing, at least, going with the actual structure of the market. But like I said, you still have to recover these candles. Because look, you see the way everything over here, it's nothing to the right of this. It's all green. That's all free money. So they have to spike up to reel everybody in. Because what else I told y'all is going to happen? What else did I tell y'all? That they're going to crash the stock market and put this money they're taking out the stock market right now into the crypto market. So I'm believing probably by the time we get down here on this S&P 500, right? Probably around like 4,000 or so, slightly below. They want you to think it's going to bounce off the 200 EMA on a day. Let me zoom out a little further on the weekly. Yeah, this is right here. They want you to think on the weekly, right? They want you to think it's gonna come down and hit the 200 EMA, because y'all can see these two ranges is kind of close, but as y'all can see, it got lower and lower. It's already below the 200 EMA, which says it's gonna crash down to at least right here. You know what I mean? The next real level is right here around $1,500. And like I said, I'm just being nice at saying that, but as y'all can see, it's doing the same thing. Look, right before the last crash. The exact same pattern. Boom. And then y'all can see, like, they're transferring the money from the stock market into the crypto market. This is exactly why it looks like that. But like I told y'all this also, because y'all can see, look, two hits up to the top. But it's going to be over here, though. The thing is, right, it's already set up for failure. Look at that. 1 hit, 2 hit. This is going to be the third hit to the 100 EMA on the monthly. So it's gonna crash down to the 200 EMA, which will be around here. You know what I mean? But that's not it though. You know what I mean? It gets worse because stock market been here much longer. Because they got to go on longer terms. It's a pattern right here. We're in the third level right now. The third level, it has to reset. You go on the 6-month chart. Another clear pattern. We are on the third level. It has to reset. The stock market is over. They about to completely crash the stock market and put everything into crypto. That's what's happening right now. And I told y'all this so many times, Of course, I got my trolls that don't believe it. Ain't like I can tell you when it's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. I mean, look how perfect that is. I mean, it's clearly happening. But I mean, y'all see it happening. You know what I'm saying? In real time. So, like I said, man. Y'all just hop in, grab y'all money while y'all can, and just think about what y'all gotta do, man, because things about to get real, though. So just prepare yourself. Anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grown, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.